This is Makan Minang series. Ayam Pop. We started with applying the base color with the ochre color. As you can see, the brush is applied very flat, only adding some gradients in color for the darker areas. And then you can see the green colors are added to show the vegetables on the side and the shading for the rice is started too. Now comes the part laying the ground or base for the potatoes that will be part of the chili sauce as side dish, and also the green chili sauce with the shading applied on the base paint. This is the red chili sauce specific to this type of meal, Ayam Pop sauce. As you can see, the colors are already varied with a hint of orange and darker shade of red on the part that opposed to the light source. And now if you see, the shadow under the chicken legs is being painted, and the bottom part where the shadow, where the light are hitting the rice, giving shadows to the surface of the plate. And now the hands are starting to make circular border to show where the plate is. It started on the bottom because that is the part that is opposed to the light source. Slowly and carefully adding top part where the circle closed. This is the red chili sauce made of chili, salt, red onion, and the potatoes that were already painted in yellowish hue. This, we are starting to get into the final step. Several layers above, we started to paint more shadings, detailed features like on the potato, additional chili sauce on top of the chicken, and the detailed feature on the vegetables, which is called anak. Other part of Indonesia called this urap. Consists of coconut and long bean. Now you see the brush is circling again around the plate to lock the shape of the plate and giving contrast to the white background. Ta-da! With that final touch, additional details to show depth, and this work is